This blade's origin has a secret over 1,000 years old. It has a humble name, but it was carried by samurai warriors, students and craftsmen. Born not for war, but for work. It was used for centuries in Japanese craftsmanship. Today, we will uncover its history and restore its legendary edge, and then we will craft it a home worthy of its heritage. After hours of research and study, I want to present to you one of Japan's oldest traditional blades. This is a Kiridashi-kogatana. And while it may look like a simple utility knife, its story is the story of Japanese craftsmanship itself. To truly understand its value, we must go back to its very beginnings. Ciao, and welcome to a new Wabi-Sabi story. Thank you for joining me today. If you are interested in discovering Japanese tools and seeing them reborn, consider subscribing to our community, because today's journey is a special one. For over a millennia, the shokunin, the Japanese craftsman, has shaped the world with a few exceptional tools. The Kiridashi, meaning pointed knife, is perhaps the most original of them all. Its design is pure function, perfected over centuries. Its genius lies in the chisel grind, the ura. A single bevel edge allows the flat back to ride perfectly against a ruler with unmatched precision. The angle tip provides a strong point for carving. Although it's not a weapon, like a katana for a samurai, this blade was a trusted companion for most people across Japan. Forged with the same lamination techniques as a sword, a hard steel edge was forged welded to a soft iron body. It is a masterpiece of functional design. For hundreds of years, this knife belonged to scholars and craftsmen, becoming so popular that people from high rank to humble ones across Japan used it for everyday tasks. It was used for both simple and specialized crafts like cutting paper and leather works, and from marking wood joints to create high-quality tea ceremony whiskers. It is exciting to know this will be a trusted companion for me too. So now it's time to awaken this blade. On the final stones, we are not just sharpening, we are polishing the hard steel to reveal its true potential. The hamon is alive once more. The edge is awake, the history is revealed. But a tool like this is not meant for a display case, it is meant to create. To honor its past, we will craft it a home that celebrates both the blade and the wood. This timber will become both handle and sheath, a single piece carved to house the blade completely. The grain flows unbroken from tip to end, creating harmony between steel and wood. This new house will mark the blade's new beginning, from steel to wood, from function to form. This is the complete circle of craftsmanship. And as the restoration comes to an end, the journey of this knife begins. It was forgotten and stayed unused in the shadows. Now the blade has come to the light once more. Its edge is razor sharp and rests in a precious wooden home carved specifically for it. We haven't just restored an object, we have reconnected it with a 1,000-year legacy of making things with purpose and intention. This tool is a new step for a craftsman's journey, my journey. Thank you for being part of it. If this restoration has inspired you, I want to invite you to go to your workshop and create something beautiful. This channel is dedicated to the spirit of making to the best of your abilities and knowledge, and stories like these are only possible because of your support. I would appreciate your help to let more stories come to life. If you haven't, subscribe to my channel and share this video with someone who appreciates true craftsmanship. And let me know in the comments what your next project will be. Ciao e a presto!